Hi guys, welcome to Burns and the Beast. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So today is another mom vlog of me organizing. And I've been organizing the hell out of this house since we've been quarantined. So let's get straight into it. What you guys see me doing here is I'm taking out my containers, my storage containers, out of the box that it came in. These particular ones came from Amazon and they were affordable, and I'll link them in the description box or in my Amazon store so you guys can purchase them. I actually really love them. I do wish some of them were bigger though and taller, but that's neither here nor there. They got the job done. So all I'm doing is taking them out the box, and then I'm gonna clean them out before I put anything into them. And then the 3 tier, the blue and white thing that I have is gonna be for my spices. That's from Amazon also, but the gray baskets and stuff that I have, those are from the dollar store. So now I'm just gonna get my stair step, my little stool, and grab everything that's over top of the cabinet. I'm very short, so I have to use a stool to get down the stuff that I want to organize. Comment down below if you are a short person too and you can't reach anything in your house without your husband's help. So the first thing I'm going to organize is these ramen noodles that have been sitting up top this cabinet in the box. I'm going to take them out the box and put them in this bin that I have. And I like this bin because you can see exactly what's in there, and later on you'll see me label this also. So now I'm just gonna start pouring out my food items into these containers. As you can already see, I poured out my red peas, my mixed peas, and now I'm pouring out my flour. I'm pouring the flour in this red and white container that's really big that I got from the dollar store. This is the only container that I have that can hold the flour, and it held it perfectly. And I've had these containers for a while, so that's what I'm doing. I'm putting all my food items in these storage containers, and I'm putting the food items that we use all the time in these storage containers because I'm gonna put them above the stove where it's easily accessible, where babe or me can find it with whichever one of us is cooking at the moment. So yeah. So now I'm gonna organize my spices, and I got this three-tiered thing to put my spices on just because this spice cabinet was just a mess and I couldn't find anything in it. I don't know what I had from what I didn't have as far as spices are concerned. So, and that's a big reason as to why I'm organizing this kitchen and these cabinets, is because I can't tell what's not in the house and what we need to buy from what's in the house and what we don't need to buy. So it's just a hot mess basically. So yeah. So I made sticky notes to label everything. I don't know why they look like this. This picture is so blurry, but that's neither here nor there. I bought these off Amazon, and I'm gonna actually label everything. Now you're gonna see the finished project. And this is the stuff that makes me happy. This is why I feel like I'm getting really old. My kitchen, my whole house being organized, and I knowing where everything is at makes me feel really, really good. And I can't be the only one, okay? Don't tell me I'm the only one that feels good when they organize their house or clean a specific part of their house and they find everything. So now I'm just showing you guys in slow motion how everything looks, and I'm super duper happy with it. So comment in the comment section below if you like what you saw. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And before somebody asks where Babe was and why did I have Milani doing all of this stuff, I like to get things done, and when I need things done, I put her in her carrier and I get them done. But also Babe was not here and I wanted to get this done. So yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.